got the correct gas canister now, hopefully. Yeah. Good morning. Another cosy and damp night last night. I've been indoors for the last 4 nights, so it's really noticeable how quickly the days are shortening. The sun is coming up just before 7 and it's setting at 5:45 right now. So daylight is limited. I should get moving, and I'm off to Slovakia today. I'm coming a longer way round to avoid cutting back over the stream. See ya. See ya. Is this the border? There's no signage from the Hungary side. Is this the border? Yeah! Slovakia! Okay, new country. Wait, what? This is not where the border is written on the map. What's going on? Slovakia! Again! Starting my Slovakia trip with a little hike in Zádiel gorge, albeit a paved one. You could cycle up here, of course, but there's a sign that says no bikes, so on foot. I've never been to Slovakia before, and it's off to a very good start, but I have often lied and said I'm from Slovakia for 2 specific reasons. Firstly, if I'm in a place where I'm trying to speak the local language and I know revealing that I'm English, the conversation would switch to English. In that case, I used to say I was Slovakian. And secondly, if I'm in a market and I ask the price and the vendor asks what country I'm from without giving me the price, then I would say I was from Slovakia. I don't know why Slovakia. 25-year-old me just thought it sounded distant and exotic and Eastern European, and now 20 years later I've made it to Slovakia. Just been up Zádiel gorge here, and I've come down to the village. I'm going to go up to the hels waterfall, and then I'm going to head towards Kozice and camp in some patch of forest on the way. I'm cold. My raincoat has gone on for warmth. I've got 4 layers on. I just uploaded my vlog in this village's surprisingly fast Wi-Fi, but got very cold in the process. Time for some exercise. Mini day, hike number 2 of the day. Right, I've crashed about through the forest quite enough. So this is my spot. There's a few houses down here, but they don't even look lived in. I would have liked to have continued to the lake, but it's a weekend night tonight, so probably best to keep a lower profile. So here. Cheers to my first day in Slovakia. As long as the weather holds, I think I'm going to enjoy it very much. It's right on 6 p.m. and I'm already all tucked up in a dark forest in my tent. Very, very short days. I need to be really efficient with my time. Cheers.